5 minus 5 equals 0. 0 times 2 plus 9. 0 times 2 gives us just 0. And 0 plus 9 equals 0. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, multiplication and division come before addition and subtraction. And here we first do this multiplication. 5 times 2 gives us 10. So this is equal to 10. 5 minus 10, then plus 9. Remember that addition and subtraction have equal priority, and we work from left to right. 5 minus 10 gives us negative 5, and negative 5 plus 9 equals just 4. So our final answer to this problem is 4.